Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video I came up with a different scenario, so please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding DAX and Power BI. Now let's go to the Power BI desktop. There we can understand the today's video demo. So for time being, already I have designed the report, so I'm going to explain each and every step of what I've done here. So before getting the details of the report, let me explain what are the tables I have imported from the Excel. Okay, so if you look at here, so dim customer, dim date, dim geography, dim product, dim product category, dim subcategory, sales territory, internet sales. So these are the tables I have imported from the Excel, and also we'll try to understand what kind of relationship we have established between the dimension tables and fact tables. So understanding a relationship, it's very important. So we'll try to see that is. So click on model, collapse these two, so scroll down a little bit. Now you can see that so I have enabled the relationship between the dimension tables and fact tables. For example, if I place the mouse here, we can see that based on this key column, it's like a product key, I have enabled the relationship between the dim product and fact internet sales. So even you can see that what kind of direction it is. It's like one direction to many direction. It means that based on this dim product to filter propagation flowing from the internet sales, like that I have enabled the relationship for other tables also. So we'll try to speak in upcoming sessions about all options that are available, but in today's video we'll try to focus on today's report only. Just click on report. So now we can see that this is the matrix visual. In this we have category as well as subcategories, and we have two slicers. One is the date range slicer, another one is a region slicer. So and also we have one card visual. So what it is showing, based on this card slicing dicing, we are representing what is the minimum date, what is the maximum date we are selecting. So based on that, data is getting displayed here. And also you can see that based on the selection, like so which country, based on that we are seeing the category wise, subcategory, sales and all. Okay, so in this I'll try to take the snipping and I will explain. So here, so what is happening in each category wise? Okay, in each category wise, so these are the subcategories. So in accessories, these are the subcategories. In bikes, these are the subcategories. In clothing, these are. So each subcategory wise, these are the sales. Each subcategory wise, and bike stands, this is the sales amount. Bikes, rocks, this is the sales amount. Like each subcategory wise, we have sales. So in this measure max value, I'm just taking what would the max value in the accessories category under the subcategories. For example, if you look at all these subcategories in the accessories categories, what is the max value? This is okay, Hellman's is the max value in this accessories category. So I'm just taking this Hellman's value into this entire all the subcategories for under the accessory categories. In bikes, what is the max value? This is road bikes is the max value. So I'm taking road bikes for all the subcategories under the bikes category. So like that I am taking the max value. So based on the slicing and dicing, automatically it's getting affected. So if we change the date slicer or country wise, it's getting reflected here also. Based on that, it's taking the max value. So I'm just taking the percentage of sales comparing to the max value. Okay, how much percentage it's more compared to the bike rocks, how much compared to the helmets, because this is the max value in this subcategories another category. So I'm just taking the percentage of comparing to the remaining subcategories. Okay, so like that I have created these measures and all. So this is the total sales, this is the max sales. So under this each category wise, under this each, this is the accessories categories, this is the bikes category, this is the clothing category. In the clothing, this is the max value, so it's getting reflected all over the subcategories under clothing. And also we can see that percentage also. For example, if I slice dice, you can see automatically it's reflected. Even you can change any country. See, 163.71. For example, if I click on France, some other France helmets, now you can see it's changing based on these two selections. And also we are capturing what are the date range in this card visual, so that easily we can understand from this state to this state we have the sales and max value and all. So for I'll try to show what kind of logics I have written. It's very simple only, not complicated. So I'll try to show that. Total sales, try to zoom it, so we can see that calculate some x function I have used to get the total sales. So date range, so already I have explained many times how to write this expression, because I have used the concatenate function to capture min x and max x. Based on that we are displaying in the card visual. And also what is the max value, so by using max x function I have written the max value. And finally if the sales are blank, so written the blank, otherwise written this what are the expression here. Okay, and taking the percentage difference. So, and also you can notice that I have applied the conditional formatting. Now we'll try to see that is under the sales percentage background color. It's getting open. So now we can see that for the sales percentage measure I have applied this background color. So if it is low percentage of sales, you will get this, and when it's getting more means you will get this kind of background color. So like that I have designed the report. So we can find even menu also. We'll try to see that is in upcoming videos. So I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section, so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So stay tuned for other videos. Thanks so much for listening. Please subscribe my channel.